Is your Nintendo Switch not turning on and it seems there is no power? Well, we have you covered. Here are 7 solutions you can try if your console is not powering on at all or not waking up when you press the home or power buttons. Before we move forward, do us a favor by subscribing to our channel and liking this video. It's free and helps us a lot. We do tons of research trying to find the working solutions for you. Your little support will help us continue making solution videos for you and others. Now, let's get started. Method 1. One of the first things you should try is resetting the AC adapter and plugging your console directly into the wall. Here are the steps. Unplug the adapter from both ends and leave it for at least 30 seconds. Meanwhile, check if there is any damage to the adapter like cuts, kinks, frayed cables, etc. If you find anything, replace the adapter might solve your issue. If not, connect the AC adapter to the console and the other end directly to a wall outlet. Method 2. The next thing you can do is perform a hard reset. To do that, first unplug the AC adapter from the wall outlet and the Nintendo Switch. Keeping it unplugged, press and hold the power button on the top left side of the console for 20 to 25 seconds. Then press the power button once and see if the console turns on. If the Nintendo Switch still doesn't turn on, verify if you're using the original AC adapter. Method 3. Verify you're using the Nintendo Switch AC adapter. The model number can be found on the bottom of the AC adapter where the cord attaches. Check that the adapter model number is HAC-002 and check for any sign of physical damage. If you see any sign of damage, replace it with a new one. Then plug it into the console and directly into the wall outlet. Now turn on the Nintendo Switch to see if this fixes the issue. Method 4. The next thing you can do is check the power button. If the power button is not working, then the Nintendo Switch won't power on. So, check the power button thoroughly. If you press the power button and it feels unusual or is not depressed properly, then there can be some problem with the power button. Clean the sides of the power button with a brush and ensure no dirt is accumulated there. You can also use isopropyl alcohol and cotton swabs to clean any dirt. If the button works properly and the switch doesn't turn on, go to our next methods. Don't have a solution so far? After the video ends, join our Facebook group where our experts help users just like you solve tech issues daily. Join the group from the link in the description or the pinned comment and ask for help. We promise to help you out. Let's get back to the solutions. Method 5. Another thing you can do is check the battery. Nintendo Switch won't turn on if the battery is faulty or damaged. The Switch can be totally non-responsive if the battery is faulty. Check the battery for any damage. Discoloration of the screen, bowing of housing clearly indicates that the battery has swelled up. So replace the battery and then turn on the switch. See if the switch turns on. Method 6. The next thing you can do is check the controller. If you can turn on the switch using the console's power button and not from the Pro Controller or Joy-Con, it is likely the issue with the controller. You can connect the controller to power or dock it to the switch. Check that it is charging and you can see the LEDs. Make sure that it is communicating with the Nintendo Switch. If you still cannot power on the Nintendo Switch, then check the charging port. Method 7. Next, check the charging port. Check the USB-C port from the bottom side of the unit and make sure it is clean. If dirt and dust sit there, you can have issues connecting. Use a flashlight to see if there is dirt. To clean the USB-C port, you can use compressed air, a toothpick or cotton buds. But make sure to do this carefully without damaging the port. Not inserting metal into the port is recommended as it can cause damage. You can open the switch and check for any internal damage caused. Check the liquid damage indicator near the port on the motherboard. If it gets damaged by the liquid, the sticker will turn red. If you suspect liquid damage, you can use an expert's help to replace the motherboard. If you find only the port is faulty, then you can repair it from the local repair shop. So that's all. Join our Facebook group where you will get direct help on everything tech. Leave a comment and help others know which solutions solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and always remember that we are here to help you out.